compare the just 1927 engine has a smaller dimple on that cover right there. That's a larger size. This is a larger. These are the front exhaust models here too. The difference being the fuel tanks. But both of them's got the drip oilers on there now, the ball oiler. Which brings us up to this where we at right now concerning this lever that grounds out your spark plug, mounted on top of that boss there. Well, see, the conflict is the engine we just talked about is, it shows that it had one up here, and back there it shows it didn't have one, which is contrary to this situation, where on this engine, the mixer if your engine would have had one of these from the factory, your breather would have looked like this in the back with a set screw, and it would have went in there. You tighten that set screw down, and it made a place in the top of these. So you can pinpoint if your engine had a breather or the screen. This being the square top model, and this one over here being the round top model. The early model meaning that one would have used that's really early right there with the one with the screen. It looks like the later model in all manner and everything. You know, it's built the same, looks like, except on this one they rolled it with a snap ring that fits into the mixer. Hence, on this one they changed it to a flat plate behind that and a screw. But then to decide to move on to this project is this is I made this whole setup right here. This whole complete thing. I've been this several of them one time back. So, and it has the little upright. It don't have the caution plate. So this is the setup I'm going to put on this engine right here. So we got this one, this engine solid. Now is what to do with this engine. You know, should I use a caution plate on it with the rod affixed to it, or should I use the stand-up? I used it over there just now, right there. So yeah, I'm going with the caution plate. Let's put that on there. Yeah, it says model 31 on there. I think that was a model of the wash machine. I think it didn't have nothing to do much with the motor in it, best I can tell.